Aloha! We're here in beautiful Kailua Kona today. Raining in Waimea, so we're coming to do this small little job. We acquired a little bit of drywall replacement where the upstairs bathroom leaked down to the downstairs apartment. So Allstate came in, gave them the okay and the go ahead to proceed. So we're here doing this now, and we had just a small window, a break from Waimea to come here. Nice views. Got the plumeria. This little bit of touch up there.
Hey,
Dusty fan. What do you got? Yeah, black and green go together. You
What about-
untwisted them.